Introducing the PlayStation 5, an extraordinary leap into the future of gaming and entertainment. Powered by a custom AMD processor and GPU architecture, the PS5 sets a new standard with breathtaking 4K gaming and the mesmerizing realism of ray tracing. But this isn't just about what you see, it's about what you feel. The DualSense wireless controller takes immersion to new heights with adaptive triggers and haptic feedback that make every moment tangible. Say goodbye to loading screens as the lightning-fast SSD storage ensures seamless transitions, transporting you from one captivating world to another in an instant. Nostalgia meets innovation with backward compatibility, allowing you to relive your cherished PS4 games with newfound enhancements. Step into the PlayStation Store, your gateway to an extensive library of games and content. With integrated streaming services, the PS5 seamlessly blends gaming with entertainment, offering a universe of possibilities at your fingertips. Yet, it's not just about playing, it's about connecting. The PS5's intuitive interface fosters a sense of community, connecting friends and sharing triumphs in ways that transcend the digital realm. In a world where creativity knows no bounds, the PlayStation 5 is your canvas for exploration. It's more than a gaming console, it's a portal to innovation, imagination, and boundless enjoyment. Embrace the future of gaming. The PlayStation 5 is your gateway to an extraordinary universe of experiences.
Check out our latest videos and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the excitement on our YouTube channel.